I'm Stuart from Stuart Horn Brickwork. As a business, we do a lot of restoration brickwork and a lot of grinding out of mortar joints, installing heli bars and such like. Generally quite dusty work. Well, dust is a massive problem on any building site because it's really bad for your health. I'm talking seriously bad, especially the fine dusts and your MDF dust. And even paint fumes and stuff like that is really, you want to be keeping your body away from that as much as possible. At Stuart Horn Brickwork, we've been using dust extraction on our grinding and pointing jobs for about 18 months now, and it makes a huge difference to A, the job, our healths, and B, the neighbours in the near vicinity. Obviously, if you've had any experience in grinding out mortar before, you can appreciate it's a very, very dusty process. I've had my setup, the original vacuum and the original grinder shroud which I've bought. I've had that for over 18 months now, and both the vacuum and the shroud are still going strong. I've got no complaints at all with the durability aspect of the products at all. The difference it makes having the dust extraction on, you're taking away 90% of the dust, you know, and that can only be a good thing for your health and other people's health in the vicinity, and also with the clearing up it makes things a lot easier. I believe that not only for the health of myself and the guys, but also the people in the, as I say, in the immediate area, it just keeps the dust down dramatically.